today I am going to redo this bookshelf. If you watched my thrift store Thursday videos a couple months ago, I had found these two bookshelves for $15 a piece. It did have the glass, but the glass has broke, so I just decided to take the glass out. And right now I have it here in my living room, but once I move, I plan on using these in my granddaughter's room, Ariana and Chili there. And it'll be displayed for all their dolls. Alright y'all, so today I am getting ready to do this part right here. I already sprayed it down, cleaned it out, and I'm going to use a roller on this one. I think that will make it go by a little bit faster. see that I have done the inside of this. I'm going to let this dry for a couple hours, and then I'm getting ready to move over to this cabinet. Today is Friday, March the 24th, and I just found out, oh, excuse me, that my knobs for this cabinet is actually coming today. So I want to get this bottom cabinet painted. So I'll have the knobs. They're coming in a day earlier, which I'm super excited. So I'm just taking off these old knobs. You know, anywhere from back in the 80s and 90s, that's considered vintage. I don't know if you were able to see these. Little gold spray paint or gold paint. Freshen these up, and I can use it on another project. I thought it was pretty just with the all white, but then I said, you know, the theme for the girls' bedroom, it's going to be like mermaids and unicorns. So I figured that I would do the Dollar Tree bling wrap that has the adhesive on the back, and I added it on the secretary desk part. And as you seen that night, it didn't really have the sparkle that I liked. So the next section you're going to see that I had just mixed up some glue and the two glitters, which was like the baby blue glitter and silver fine glitter, and that gave it the pop that I was looking for. And also it helped cover all the lines that you see here, you know, to cover up the imperfections. So that's why I wanted to add the Mod Podge base with the glitter to cover up, you know, those creases. So as you can see, we do have a lot of more sparkle because of the silver. But looking at it now, I still see those creases, so I may have to pull them out and rearrange them. But leather, you know, it's done. I just don't like those little bubble lines right there. I may have to add some more glitter to it and see if it will cover it up, because looking at it in the dark, these little white patches down here, I need to fill them in because there's no sparkle coming from there. But I like it overall. It looks so much better than just that old 1980s with the brass knobs to a fresh, updated look for my granddaughters. So I'm hoping that they will like it. And I appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at my chalk paint redo thrift store find. Y'all take care. As I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another refresh chalk paint DIY. And don't forget to go over to my Etsy store and check out my bath line. So fabulous. Bath essentials. Bye-bye.